Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Chase credit cards to CreditWise, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting your Chase credit cards to CreditWise, first, log in to your CreditWise account. Visit the official CreditWise website or open the app on your mobile device. Once on the platform, locate the profile or settings section. In this area, find the option that allows you to link credit cards. Next, select Add Credit Card or a similar prompt to start the linking process. You will be prompted to choose your bank or financial institution. Search for Chase in the list of available banks. Once you find Chase, click on it to proceed. You will then be redirected to a secure login page. Enter your Chase username and password to log in. Make sure you enable any necessary permissions for CreditWise to access your Chase account. After logging in, you may be asked to verify your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email. Check your device for the code and enter it in the required field. Once verified, you'll be given options regarding which accounts you want to connect. Select the credit cards you wish to link to CreditWise. After making your selections, confirm your choices to proceed. CreditWise will then begin syncing your Chase credit card data. This may take a few moments, so be patient while the connection is established. Once the process is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Your Chase credit card account details are now connected to CreditWise. You can now monitor your credit score and report directly through the platform. Make sure to regularly check back for updates on your credit status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.